How to study well. Anyone may learn the ability of being an effective student, including you. There are excellent study habits and terrible study habits, and this article will show you how to stop doing what doesn't work and concentrate on techniques that can help you perform better on exam day. When you're done, you'll know how to study more effectively and less arduously. Additionally, you'll be prepared with a few strategies for when you need an extra push of inspiration. 1. Create a study area. Even if a table works just as well for studying, having a desk is ideal. Make sure your area is well lit, and get rid of any clutter or other distractions that can make it difficult to concentrate. Place the tools you'll need to study nearby so they're easy to get, such as pens, highlighters, and a notebook. 2. Make a plan for your daily study time. Plan to study a little bit every day rather than attempting to complete your studies in one sitting. Pick the time of day when you feel most concentrated to start. Next, choose the subjects you'll study daily. Keep a copy of your study timetable in your agenda or another visible location. 3. Put your study materials in order to make it simple to find what you need. You need to make the most of your time because you undoubtedly have a lot to do. To avoid wasting valuable study time looking for your papers, notes, texts, and writing implements, keep them all in one designated location. In this manner, you can quickly gather what you require and begin. 4. Getting rid of them will help you concentrate on your schoolwork. If there aren't any outside distractions, it will be easier for you to concentrate. To avoid disturbing you when you're studying, ask anyone nearby. To avoid being tempted to check your phone, also turn off your TV and put it on silent. 5. Every day at the end of class, go over your notes to ensure they are current. Before they begin to stick in your memory, you'll probably need to repeat your notes aloud a few times. Every day, set aside a short period of time to review the material you studied in all of your classes. It doesn't have to be a significant amount of time. 6. Prioritize important ideas over minute details. Because there is so much material to master, it is simple to become overburdened while learning. To perform well in class, you don't have to memorize your textbook and lecture notes. Instead, focus on learning the key ideas that your instructor stressed in class. Then, consider how the supplementary information and illustrations in your notes or text can aid in your understanding of the primary ideas. 7. Read important information aloud to yourself to help you remember it. You can recall things better if you read them aloud, so do this for key points. 8. Include exercises that suit your preferred learning method. Decide which learning style best suits you. With the ability to see something, auditory learners can learn more by hearing, while kinesthetic learners are more engaged by movement. 9. Find connections between the knowledge you have and the information you are learning. Although it can occasionally seem like what you're studying in class has nothing to do with reality, this is usually untrue. Good luck and all the best for you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.